Load your family into the 2015 Dodge Journey. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including speed-sensitive wipers, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.